Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to quickly show you how to set nickname in Instagram chat. So let's get into the video. Open up your Instagram chat. So once you open up your Instagram chat, go to your messenger here on your top right. So open up your messenger and then open up the chat that you wish to change the nickname for. So for example, open up the chat and then what you're going to do, click on the chat group here. So click on the group and then here you will have an option called change name and photo. So simply click on it and it will ask you to change, give you the option, these two options here, change name and change photo. Simply click on change name and then you can set whatever name or nicknames that you wish to change these to. Type that in and then hit on done. That's it. You have changed the nickname on your in your chat group. So unfortunately you can only do this, you can only change name on Instagram chat groups, not on individual person, as it's not allowed on Instagram yet. So I hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.